Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Today's episode is about my travel and souvenir idea edition. As I can say again, when we travel, we want to buy some gifts, souvenir present to remind us ourselves for the place we visit in any form: t-shirt, cups, teacups, hat, bags, or perfume. And today's edition, I'm gonna talk about one of my favorite perfume that I gonna pull out from my collection, and it's from Malone, London, and it's called Dark Amber and Ginger Lily. Okay, today episode is about Malone, London perfume, and it's called property. Don't worry, I'll show you a super close unboxing. Called Dark Amber and Ginger Lily. Okay, without further ado, let's discuss my review about this perfume. Okay, so upon initial first spray, this perfume bursts of gingers and pink peppers, and spicy, woody scent, so elegant, so sophisticated. And after an hour, the patchouli notes start to appear and stand out, then blends with the smell of leatherish scents. At this time, it reminds me of Tom Ford Black Orchids. After that one, it starts to dry down into a little bit melancholy amber and develop into a soft oriental scents, very warm, very bold, so it's very nice to wear during autumn and winter. By the way, this is cologne, right? So imagine how impressive the perfume, because it's even cologne is last very longer. What else? The longevity is impressive, lasts about 5 hours, but better not to wear this one on summer because it's not really good, the blend of humid versus the leather, because it's really oxidates so quickly that it's fade away so quickly that the smell is gone straight away. So when you use it on the cold weather, it's just lingering around and give you a bit of aura. And then what else? Although this is a female fragrance, and as was John Malone say on the description, I found it very unisex because of the incense and leatherish tends to be balanced, so it can be very feminine a bit and a little bit masculine. It's really balancing, so I found it very unisex. What else? This is very hard to find, and because it's only available in some special outlet of John Malone, so it can be by seasonal. So if you find it, so try to grab it so quickly, because it's just been sell quickly, this one. And that's all, folks. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye. I cannot spray, it's expensive.